Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. And today we're going to take a look at the 2025 Galeon 560 Fly. On the swim platform of the 560 Fly, you have access to your captain's quarters with a single berth, separate head, separate shower, and fantastic storage. Also, you'll notice the flexi teak on the swim platform, zero maintenance. This is also hydraulic, drops down into the water. You have stairs that slide out and you can walk right down into the water. Moving up into the cockpit of the boat, you have a great fiberglass table, fantastic wraparound seating. You're having dinner. Also, you have the flexi teak option in the cockpit here. We also have the fold down sides on the 560 Fly with the balconies. So entering the galley of the boat, you'll have two large windows on either side that open up. One has a bar that pops up with bar stools. The other has two seats that flip down for great entertaining space. You'll notice the galley's aft. You do have opposed seating across from it. Large fridge, 4-burner cooktop. This boat is equipped with the eucalyptus matte wood, which is an exclusive for Galeon, as well as the light oak flooring to contrast. Moving towards the helm, you'll notice we have a great dining table, but with the push of a button, this drops down and you can fill it in for another sleeping arrangement. Opposed from this table, the TV pops up out of the cabinetry here. You got a large 50-inch TV. Moving forward, you'll notice the helm area where you have dual screens, a bow and stern thruster, Seakeeper, and Axiom electronics. So standing in the master stateroom of the 560 Fly, she is full beam, two large windows on either side of the boat, let a lot of natural light in. You also have great storage. Behind me is a bank of dressers. You also have hanging lockers. When you open the door, the lights turn on. Notice the bed's a little lower, which is fantastic ease of getting in and out of. Large TV right in front of it. Again, more storage underneath the TV. Another hanging locker on the other side, and a great little seating area. The forward VIP stateroom is like having two masters. You'll notice how wide this stateroom is. Galeon does a fantastic job with their textures and this eucalyptus wood as well. Great storage, hanging lockers, private entrance to a separate head and separate shower. It's a beautiful stateroom with a lot of big windows, lets in a lot of natural light. The third stateroom is a twin bunk stateroom. Has a large window off to the starboard side, but you can slide the bunks together to make a full-size bed. So standing on the Flybridge of the 56 Galeon, you'll notice the two sun lounge chairs aft. Great place for entertaining, great place to relax and enjoy. Moving forward, you have a grill built in, refrigerator, freezer, wet bar, trash. On the other side, you also have an ice maker and another trash receptacle as well. You notice you have two tables here that convert so you can have alfresco dining up here. Great seating that flip back and forth so you can sit facing forward. And then the other helm up top. Again, this has been the 2025 Galeon 560 Fly. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. We can be reached at 910-256-8100.